Nike shirt. And another checkout. So it's another farewell to the room, which has been interesting. It's been a bit creepy at night to see a random tree. I think it kind of gave me a bit of the spooks, this room, but nevertheless, I thank you. You've been ultra special, you've been universal, so thank you very much. We've got trousers today because it is meant to be the coldest day since I've been in Japan. I think it's 14 degrees. I say coldest days, and not really cold, is it? That's summer in England and Scotland. So today's plan is, I mean, there's not really much plan. There's just head to Osaka. Got a hotel there for another 3 nights, and just maybe have a little explore of the city. Right, come on you. Here we go. Final farewell to Universal. I've heard the same playlist for the past 3 days. They love a bit of Wicked here, I'll tell you. Ooh, feel some rain coming on. Good thing I got my layers, I'm prepared. Rainy. They have a lot of steps and stations. Carrying that up a big flight of stairs is really getting my workout in. First impression, there's a lot more cyclists here in Osaka than there is in Tokyo. I've been nearly run over about 5 times and I've only been here 5 minutes. I believe this is my hotel. Perfect. Right next to the 7-Eleven. On that for us. So I've dropped my bags off at the hotel. I was a bit early. Oh, it's really raining now. So I'm just going to have a little walk about until 3 p.m. I've noticed the main difference between me and everyone else here is umbrella. I need to get an umbrella. I didn't bring a waterproof. Mission success. Got the orange one. Much better. I've been walking about in the rain for about an hour. Like, it's actually relatively nice to see the city in the rain, but it's going to be raining like this all day, so I'm sure I'll get a bit fed up with it, so I might find indoor activities to do today. I'm finally inside, away from the rain. Yeah, I've been walking around Osaka in the rain for like an hour, maybe an hour and a half. But it's really cool to see. Like, Osaka's so different from Tokyo. It's more kind of streety and young demographic, I would say. I popped into a few vintage stores, and I want to do a lot of thrift shopping here because I've heard that it's really good. But I've been walking around for like an hour. Unintentionally walked. I'm literally 2 minutes away from my hotel. I feel like I've walked miles, but I've maybe done a circle without knowing. But I am soaked. I'm more soaked than I was yesterday on the Jurassic Park ride. So because the day is quite rainy and I probably don't want to spend a lot of it outside, I've booked something that I wanted to do anyway, but it's an indoor activity. And that is the aquarium. but it's like a really big aquarium. I think I've got a bit of a theme going with the underwater vibes, because I went to the fish art thing, and then my room in Universal was underwater, and now I'm in Osaka and I'm going to an aquarium on my first day, so I mean, it's a good vibe. I'm in another train station. Odds on I get lost in this one. Oh, the aquarium. Apparently it's one of the biggest in the world, which is exciting. I don't know what they've got in there. It's weird to think everything's in that building. You can actually smell the fish. I know that sounds weird. Genuinely. It's fishy. Found Dory. Don't know what all the fuss is all about. There she is. This guy is telling fibs. He's got such a long nose. Did not expect this. How did he get there? Oh my god. It's like a zoo and an aquarium. But there's a sea lion. There's a sea, of course there is. Seals are one of my favourites. This makes me laugh. Seals move forward by bouncing. That is so cute. Oh. is the exit, and then no, there's a crab. Looks fake to me. So just finished up at the aquarium. It was really cool, like obviously seeing the animals, it felt more like a zoo than an aquarium at some points. But again, there's a part of me which is like, oh, I don't know if I feel like happy to see these like dolphins jumping about in this tiny tank or this massive whale shark. But anyway, it was cool to see. Never seen a whale shark before, and people who know me well know I love sharks, always have, always will, forever a shark stan. But I'm just gonna head straight back to the hotel and actually chill for a bit. There's so many random things in Japan. A target shooting game where they're like shooting stuff at them. It looks like kiddie toys. Interesting. I am soaked. This jacket's literally like 5 times darker than it used to be. So I forgot to show you my new room. It's the Appa Hotel, which I've seen a lot of. There's so many of these. They're like the Premier Inns of Japan. But yeah, it's nice again. Nice big TV, and this is quite interesting. They have like information about the area on there, and not even that, like how to get a taxi in Japan, which I've been considering as well. Little desk area which I've set up, and the bathroom is the smallest one yet, but I'm not complaining. The baths in Japan are very small, like very small, but it does the job. It does the job. So now, oh, it feels nice to sit down. I've literally not sat down all day. Now I'm literally just gonna chill for a bit, and then find somewhere for dinner, and then come back and yeah, chill even more.